Hey everyone, welcome back to Ash English Lab. Today's video is going to be super fun and very helpful because we are learning 100 plus compound words with emojis and simple sentences. Compound words are made by joining two words together to create one new word. For example, sun plus flower, sunflower. Learning compound words will help improve your English vocabulary, speaking and writing skills. So get ready and let's learn 100 plus compound words with sentences in a fun way. Rainbow, rainbow. A rainbow appears after rain. Cupcake, cupcake. I eat a sweet cupcake. Football, football. They are playing football. Toothbrush, toothbrush. I use my toothbrush daily. Haircut, haircut. She got a new haircut. Bedroom, bedroom. My bedroom is clean. Bathroom, bathroom. The bathroom is upstairs. Classroom, classroom. The students are in the classroom. Playground, playground. The kids are at the playground. Notebook, notebook. My notebook is on the table. Bookstore, bookstore. I bought a novel from the bookstore. Backpack, backpack. His backpack is heavy. Starfish, starfish. The starfish is in the sea. Dog house, dog house. The dog sleeps in the dog house. Pancake, pancake. We had pancakes for breakfast. Milkshake, milkshake. She drank a chocolate milkshake. Snowman, snowman. The children made a snowman. Fireman, fireman. The fireman helped the family. Mailbox, mailbox. The letter is in the mailbox. Basketball, basketball. He plays basketball every day. Sunglasses, sunglasses. My sunglasses are black. Headphones, headphones. She listens with headphones. Earring, earring. Her earring is beautiful. Keyboard, keyboard. The keyboard is new. Doorbell, doorbell. Someone rang the doorbell. Moonlight, moonlight. The moonlight is lovely tonight. Daydream, daydream. He likes to daydream. Birthday. Birthday. Today is my birthday. Anyone. Anyone. Anyone can join us. Someone. Someone. Someone is calling you. Everyone. Everyone. Everyone is happy. Waterfall. Waterfall. The waterfall is beautiful. Seashell. Seashell. I found a seashell. Teapot. Teapot. The teapot is hot. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Armchair. Armchair. Grandpa sat in the armchair. Newspaper. Newspaper. Dad reads the newspaper. Housework. Housework. She finished her housework. Earthquake. Earthquake. The earthquake was strong. Airport. Airport. We went to the airport. Airplane. Airplane. The airplane is flying high. Butterfly. Butterfly. A butterfly landed nearby. Ladybug. Ladybug. The ladybug is red. Dragonfly. Dragonfly. A dragonfly flew fast. Ice cream. Ice cream. I love ice cream. Popcorn. Popcorn. We ate popcorn at the movie. Seafood. Seafood. They ordered seafood. Sandbox. Sandbox. The child plays in the sandbox. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. Walk on the sidewalk. Crosswalk. Crosswalk. Use the crosswalk. Underground. Underground. The train is underground. Overcoat. Overcoat. He wore an overcoat. Lifetime. Lifetime. This memory lasts a lifetime. Sunshine. Sunshine. The sunshine feels warm. Birthplace. Birthplace. Rome is her birthplace. Hometown. Hometown. Moscow is my hometown. Grandmother. Grandmother. My grandmother is kind. Grandfather. Grandfather. My grandfather tells stories. Anything. Anything. You can ask anything. Everything. Everything. Everything is ready. Something. Something. I have something for you. Wheelchair. Wheelchair. He uses a wheelchair. Skateboard. board. Skateboard. Tom rides a skateboard. Corn flakes. Cornflakes. I eat cornflakes every morning. Windmill. Windmill. The windmill is spinning. Windshield. Windshield. The windshield is dirty. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Use toothpaste to brush. Hair brush. Hairbrush. My hairbrush is pink. Bathtub. Bathtub. The bathtub is full. Lipstick. Lipstick. Her lipstick is red. Sunset. Sunset. The sunset looks beautiful. Sunrise. Sunrise. We watch the sunrise. Firefly. Firefly. A firefly glowed in the dark. Seahorse. Seahorse. The seahorse swims slowly. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. The jellyfish floated away. Goldfish. Goldfish. My goldfish is small. Handbag. Handbag. She bought a new handbag. Handshake. Handshake. They greeted with a handshake. Raincoat. Raincoat. Wear your raincoat. Earache. Earache. He has an earache. Headache. Headache. She has a headache. School bag. School bag. My school bag is blue. School work. School work. I finished my school work. School bus. School bus. The school bus arrived early. Moonwalk. Moonwalk. He tried the moonwalk. Hair band. Hairband. She wore a hairband. Classmate. Classmate. My classmate is friendly. Roommate. Roommate. My roommate is helpful. Housekeeper. Housekeeper. The housekeeper cleaned the room. Snowball. Snowball. He threw a snowball. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. She wore a bathrobe. Cupboard. Cupboard. The plates are in the cupboard. Doorway. Doorway. He stood in the doorway. Watchman. Watchman. The watchman guards the gate. Daytime. Daytime. We played in the daytime. Night time. Night time. The stars shine at night time. Lighthouse. Lighthouse. The lighthouse guides ships. Book, mark. Bookmark. I put a bookmark in my book. Star, dust. Stardust. The sky looked full of stardust. Moon, stone. Moonstone. She wore a moonstone ring. Thunder, storm. Thunderstorm. The thunderstorm was loud. Bed, sheet. Bedsheet. The bedsheet is clean. Amazing job, my lovely students! Today you learned 100 plus compound words with easy sentences. And now your English vocabulary is even stronger. Practice these words daily, repeat the sentences and use them in your own conversations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite compound word, share with your friends, subscribe to Ash English Lab. Keep learning English and keep shining. See you in the next amazing video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.